Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NOAA weather data for time series analysis step by step clearly. To begin your journey in downloading NOAA weather data, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the NOAA National Centers for Environmental Information. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once there, locate the Data Access tab on the main menu. Hover over this tab to reveal drop-down options. From the drop-down, click on Weather and Climate. This will take you to a page dedicated to weather data. Here, look for the Datasets section for various options. Select the specific dataset relevant to your needs, such as daily, hourly, or monthly weather data. Once selected, you will be redirected to a new page containing detailed information about that dataset. Scroll down to find the section labeled Access Data. You will see several options for data access, including online tools and direct. For time series analysis, prefer the download option. Upon clicking download, a new window will pop up, asking for your parameters. Fill in the required fields such as location, date range, and specific variables. After entering your parameters, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Your data request will now be processed. Once processed, you will receive a link to download your data file. Click on the link to initiate the download. The file will typically be in CSV format, making it compatible with most analysis tools. Navigate to your Downloads folder to locate the file. Finally, open the file in your preferred data analysis software to begin your time series analysis. You are now ready to explore NOAA weather data for your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.